Imran Khan is a prominent Pakistani politician, former cricketer, and the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan. Here are some key aspects of his life and career. Early life and cricket career. Born October 5, 1952, in Lahore, Pakistan. Education. Attended Royal Grammar School in Worcester, UK, and later studied at Keble College, Oxford. Cricket. Khan had a distinguished career in cricket, playing for the Pakistan national team from 1971 to 1992. He captained Pakistan to its first and only Cricket World Cup victory in 1992. Political career. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). Founded PTI in 1996. Initially, the party struggled to gain significant traction. Prime Minister. After years of building his political base, Khan's PTI won the 2018 general elections, and he became Prime Minister on August 18, 2018. Policies and governance. His tenure focused on anti-corruption, economic reforms, and foreign policy balancing, especially concerning relationships with China, the U.S., and India. Challenges and achievements. Economic issues. Faced economic challenges including managing the IMF bailout, addressing fiscal deficits, and handling the COVID-19 pandemic's economic impact. Social reforms. Emphasized healthcare and education reforms, and launched the SS program to alleviate poverty. Foreign policy. Sought to navigate complex geopolitical dynamics, particularly with neighboring India and Afghanistan. Personal life. Marriages. Imran Khan has been married 3 times. His current wife is Bushra Bibi, whom he married in 2018. Philanthropy. Known for his philanthropic work, especially the Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center and Nama University. Imran Khan remains a significant figure in Pakistan's socio-political landscape, known for his charisma and polarizing leadership style.